Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a perm rod set tutorial, but firstly I will start by deep conditioning with a new product from CurlyEllie, which is their intensive treatment hair mask. This hair mask launched yesterday and I'm pleased to be one of the few people to try it out before it launched. So this new hair mask combines natural plant and seed oils to hydrate, nourish, moisturize and repair dry, damaged and colored hair, minimizing frizz and restoring shine, bounce and radiance. This hair mask has a good amount of slip. It has got some really good ingredients including quinoa, meadow foam seed oil, panthenol, shea butter and aloe vera. So I'm using my fingers to gently detangle each section, and then I'll follow up with my wide tooth comb to further detangle each section. So now I've rinsed her hair and it feels soft and hydrated. I'm now going to apply CurlyEllie's leave-in conditioner as my styler before I install the perm rods. So I'm just applying the leave-in conditioner to each section and I'm just working the product through with my hands. So today I will be using two different sizes of perm rods to style her hair. You can get them in various sizes depending on the length of your hair and also the type of curl you would like. The smaller ones give you tighter curls. I'm now going to use my Denman brush to fully detangle her hair. This part is really important. You want to make sure that the hair is completely detangled and smooth before you install the perm rods. This ensures that you get frizz-free results and also a good curl definition. So the way I install my perm rods is I twist the hair at the roots and then I wind the hair around the perm rods. I find this method works really well and I love the definition that I get from it. You can do it the other way by starting with the ends of the hair and then winding it around the perm rods. So I'm just going to continue in the same way until I finish the rest of her hair. So now that I've finished applying the perm rods to her hair, I will leave it overnight to air dry. So it's the next day. I've left her hair overnight to air dry, and now I am now removing the perm rods. You need to ensure that the hair is completely dry before you remove the perm rods, otherwise you will cause a lot of frizz. So now it's time to separate the curls. you need to do this very carefully to ensure you do not disturb the curls and cause a lot of frizz. So what I'm just doing is separating the hair where the curls naturally separate, and then I'm just winding it around my finger just to twirl the curls and set them in place.